Baby.
What do you have there?
Pinkies. Baby pinky.
Let's measure it first.
No. You don't need it. I know already.
I know you have to feel free. Kasi guys dito, may sukat yung yung isda. Kapag mali yung sukat, huhulihin ka. Ngayon, itong ganitong size, hindi pa yan pwede uwi. Pero sa akin pwede ko na uwi yan, pero bawal. Ayan na, sa harapan mo ang sukatan, oh.
Ang lit.
Pagbigyan mo na ako. Titignan ko lang kung gaano kalaki ang diferensya. Ikaw naman, oh.
Oh my God, you swallow all. All the way.
All the way ba?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Swallow all the way daw.
Oh my God.
All the way.
You gonna be die.
You gonna be... mayroon pang ducks doon, oh.
I just got it.
Just got it. Yeah, I want you to make sure it first.
Too small.
Just make sure it.
Oh, yeah, size. Oh, yeah, small. Oh, see?
Gaano kalaki ang diferensya?
20, 25, 28.
So, 3 more. Tatlong...
Oh, duck, baka kainin ng duck.
At least mabubusog yung duck. Sige naman, bago mamatay yan. Lala mo yan.
No! I told you, you gotta eat it. They eat it.
Oh well, at least the duck may happy. What can you do?